It was a scorching hot afternoon in Florida, the kind where the sidewalk could fry an egg. Cars baked under the sun, their interiors turning into ovens. In the middle of a grocery store parking lot, Sarah, a 34-year-old teacher, noticed something that made her stop in her tracks. In the back seat of a parked car was a small golden retriever puppy, panting heavily, its nose pressed against the closed window. No owner in sight, no windows cracked, no water. The temperature outside was over 95 degrees. Inside that car, easily 120. Sarah knew that dogs could suffer brain damage or even die in just minutes under those conditions. She waited for a few minutes, looking around for the owner. Nothing. She called animal control. They said they'd try to send someone but couldn't promise how long it would take. 10 minutes passed. The dog began to whimper, so Sarah did what she thought anyone would do in that situation. She took a tire iron from her trunk and smashed the back window open. The dog was saved. Sarah gave it water, brought it into the shade, and waited for the authorities. But what happened next? Most people would expect a thank you, maybe even a news feature about her heroic act. But instead, Sarah was arrested, charged with criminal mischief and destruction of property. Yes, and for saving a dog's life. And here's the part that shocked even her. The officer said Florida law only protects people who break into cars to save pets under very specific conditions. If you don't follow the law exactly, like notifying law enforcement first, staying at the scene, and only using reasonable force, and you can still be charged. This wasn't just a freak incident. In fact, across the United States, there are dozens of cases where people trying to rescue animals have ended up in legal trouble. In Georgia, a man named James was charged with theft when he took an abused pit bull from his neighbor's yard and brought it to a shelter. In Ohio, a woman was fined $500 for climbing a fence to help a starving horse. And in Texas, a teenage girl faced misdemeanor charges after breaking a window to save a dog locked in a Walmart parking lot, even though her actions were caught on video and the dog clearly needed help. Sarah's case eventually made the news. Public outcry helped, and the charges were dropped. But she still had to pay to fix the broken window, missed work, and went through the stress of being handcuffed for doing what she thought was right. And here's the final twist. The dog's owner, he was only fined $50 and got his dog back. This story isn't just about one woman and one dog. It's about a system that punishes people for doing the right thing, just because they didn't do it the right way. It's about how the law often trails behind morality, and it's a wake-up call to all of us. Sometimes saving a life isn't enough, unless the law says it is.